Hello, dear children. Good morning. Children, today I am going to start with the reading part of your lesson 3 or mineral resources. So, all of you open page number 239. I am going to start the reading part of your lesson. Or mineral resources. OUR, our mineral, MINERAL, mineral resources, 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 or mineral resources. Minerals and their types. TYPES, types. Minerals or naturally, NATURALLY, naturally occurring, OCCURING, occurring substances, SUBSTANCES, substances that are found deep under, UNDER, under the earth's surface. They are found, FOUND, found in different types of rocks, 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 and on ocean, OCEAN, ocean and river beds. All minerals are not found in their pure form. Impure, IMPURE, impure form of the mineral is known as ore, ORE, ore of that mineral. The process, PROCESS, process of digging, DIGGING, digging out minerals from inside the earth is known as mining, MINING, mining. The deep holes dug into the earth to take out minerals are called mines, MINES, mines. On the basis, BASIS, basis of their composition, 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 minerals are broadly, BROADLY, broadly classified, CLASSIFIED, classified into metallic and non-metallic. Metallic minerals. Minerals from which metals, METALS, metals can be extracted, 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 or called metallic minerals. Iron, IRON, iron. COPPER, copper. GOLD, gold. MANGANESE, manganese. BAUXITE, bauxite, and silver, also metallic minerals. The ores from the mines are melted, MELTED, melted in factories, 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 to obtain the pure metal. Iron, IRON, iron. Iron is the most common, 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 and widely, WIDELY, widely used metal. It is used in making tools, 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 UTENSILS, utensils, MACHINES, machines, BUILDINGS, buildings, BRIDGES, bridges, RAILWAY, railway engines, and many other things. In India, iron mines are found in Jharkhand, 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 ODISHA, Odisha, CHHATTISGARH, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Next one is copper. Copper is mainly used for making electrical wires, tools, and utensils. Its ore is mainly found in Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Rajasthan, Rajasthan. Next one is manganese. Manganese, manganese. Manganese is used to make steel, 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 glass, glass, alloys, alloys, and also in blue pottery, pottery, pottery. It is mined mainly in Karnataka, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Goa. Next is aluminium. Aluminium. Aluminium is a light metal extracted from bauxite ore. Bauxite, bauxite ore. It is used in making aeroplanes. Aeroplanes, aeroplanes, utensils, and other household. Household, household items. In India, large reserves, reserves of bauxite are found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. Gold. Gold is a rare, rare and expensive. Expensive, expensive metal. It is primarily primarily used in making jewelry. Jewellery. Jewelry. India has been the sought sought after source of gold demand across the globe for decades. Decades. Non-metallic minerals. Minerals in which metals are not found are called non-metallic minerals. Coal, COAL, coal. Petroleum, petroleum. MICA, mica. Limestone, limestone, and salt are some examples of non-metallic minerals. Mica. India has the largest deposits, deposits of mica in the world. It is used mainly in electrical goods. It is found in Jharkhand, Jharkhand, Bihar, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, and Kerala. Limestone, limestone. Limestone is used for making cements. Its deposits are found in the states of Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka, and Gujarat. Coal, COAL, coal. Coal is used as fuel, FUEL, fuel. It is also used in generating electricity, GENERATING, generating electricity. Heating, HEATING, heating and cooking, and in various other industries. INDUSTRIES, industries. Coal deposits are found in Jharkhand, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh. Petroleum. Petroleum is found deep inside the earth and under the seabed. Oil wells are dug, dug to reach the oil. Oil field, OILFIELD, oil field is an area with many oil wells. The petroleum extracted, extracted, is made pure by removing removing, removing other substances present in it. Refineries, refineries, refineries. After refining petroleum products like petrol, diesel, 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 kerosene, kerosene, cooking gas, etc. are obtained. In India, Assam, Gujarat and Mumbai have large petroleum reserves. Reserves. Oil refineries are found in Mumbai, Chennai and Kochi. Petrol and diesel are used to run automobiles. Automobiles, trains and aeroplanes. Aeroplanes. Kerosene and cooking gas are used for cooking. Other products from petroleum are used in making plastics, plastics, plastics and cosmetics, cosmetics, cosmetics. Natural gas, natural, natural gas. Natural gas is mainly found along with petroleum in oil fields. It is used as fuel in vehicles. Vehicles. Conservation of resources. Conservation. Conservation of resources. India is very important for us to remember. Remember that minerals are non-renewable. Renewable natural resources. It takes a very long time for them to form. We need to use them in a planned planned manner, or a time will come when they will be completely exhausted. Exhausted. Promoting promoting the use of renewable sources of energy, recycling of metals by using scrap. Scrap should be encouraged. Encouraged. The government also need to monitor illegal illegal mining in many states. We should try to find alternative alternative sources of energy which would reduce our dependency dependency on these exhaustible exhaustible resources. So this is all about your third chapter, or mineral resources. So once go through the reading part, children. Pronounce the words carefully. Bye children. Thank you.